Hello student, this is KK Bhatt from LP Public School. Today, once again I am here with the second part of the lesson, the sentence. In the previous video, I have taught you what is sentence and what is the part of sentence. But today I am going to discuss kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentences. I know well that in previous classes every student read about the kinds of sentences. The first is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Second is interrogative sentences. Third is imperative sentences, and fourth is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Now see here, these are four kinds of sentence today which we are going to discuss. ये चार sentences है जिसके बारे में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे. वैसे this is not new for you. Every child has learned it in previous classes. Now see here, you have already learned that a statement can be either in assertive, or question, or request, or command, or denial, or a response. It means the statements has been divided into four parts. That will be assertive, that will be interrogative, that will be imperative, and that will be exclamatory sentences. Now I am going to discuss what is assertive sentence. See here, what is assertive? See here, like that. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. What do you understand? I am writing a letter. That is a declarative sentence. That is a affirmative sentence. There is no any question. There is no any order. There is no any exclamation mark. Here we put a full stop. It's very simple to understand. When a sentence having the sense of declaration, that is called a assertive sentence. Now you see here, assertive sentence are two types. First is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentences. And second is negative sentences. Affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Or we can say that assertive sentence also divided into two. The first is affirmative sentence and second is negative sentence. You know that what is affirmative sentence? Where there is where there is no use of not, that is called affirmative sentence. What is negative sentence? Where not is used in the sentence. So see here, or definition of assertive sentence. What is definition of assertive sentence? An assertive sentence make a statement is null. It is also known as the declarative sentence. An assertive sentence begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. It's clear? Assertive sentence start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Now see here, what is affirmative sentence? A sentence that tells us that something exists or something is happening is called the affirmative sentence, and affirmative sentence is also known as the positive sentence. Positive sentence is where there is no use of I think it is clear to all. You will understand what is negative sentence and what is affirmative sentence. What is negative sentence? A sentence that states that something does not exist or that something is not happening is called a negative sentence. Negative sentences usually contain not or no. Words ये क्या आपके पास रखा है? Not or. So I think you understand what is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence where the sense of declaration has been given. Assertive sentence start with capital letter and end with full stop. Is two type: affirmative sentence and negative sentence. What is affirmative sentence? Where there is no use of is a mark or where there is no use of not or no. And affirmative sentence is also called the positive sentence. Now see what is negative sentence? Where negative sentence always contains with it not or no. And इसके साथ क्या होता है हमेशा not या no आता है. I think it is clear to all. Now we are going to discuss on interrogative. See here what is interrogative. Interrogative sentence where the question asks, that is called interrogative sentence, and the sentence start with helping word or question words and end with question mark. यानी इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस क्या होते हैं? इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में क्या होते हैं? प्रश्न पूछे जाते हैं. ये प्राय हेल्पिंग वर्ड से शुरू होते हैं या तो WH जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड होते हैं उससे शुरू होते हैं, और एंड में क्या होता है? क्वेश्चन मार्क. ये जो मार्क होता है ये बताता है कि ये किस टाइप का सेंटेंस है. अगर क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा हुआ है इट इज क्लियर दैट दिस इज अ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस आस्क क्वेश्चन. if I ask what is definition of interrogative sentence, so your simple answer is that an interrogative sentence asks questions. Clear? There are two kinds of interrogative sentence. The first is called yes no. Yes no means when a sentence asks and your answer is in yes or no. Your answer is in yes or no. That is called interrogative sentence. It is clear? And second is WS. WS question. WS question. WS question. We start with as like why, where, when, it is. It means क्वेश्चन वर्ड क्या होते हैं? जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड है, जब सेंटेंस आपके WH, why, where, when, how, which, जब इस तरह से आपके क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं तो वो कहलाता है WH क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, डबल इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस आप कह सकते हो. अब सपोज दैट देखो यहाँ पार्टिकल सी हियर, जैसे मान लो Can you read this book? Can you read this book? इससे आपसे पूछा जाए कि आप पढ़ सकते हैं, योर आंसर इज, आपका आंसर क्या होगा, यस और आपका आंसर होगा यस और नो। आप कहोगे आप पढ़ सकते हो या तो कहोगे नहीं पढ़ सकते, तो यस टाइप का क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे। अगर आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि वेयर डू यू लिव, वेयर डू यू लिव, आप कहाँ रहते हो, वेयर का यूज आपने किया, आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर। व्हाट इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, read here words written in your book. See here, what is definition of interrogative sentence? Or interrogative sentence asks question. Interrogative sentence always end with a question marks. When we ask this question, we expect the answer to be yes or no. That is called yes or no type of question. We use helping verb like be, have, do, can, should, may or will to ask yes or no question. You know well that yes no type question always start with helping verb. For example, जैसे can you read this book? Are you Guptas coming? Are the Guptas coming? Or now see, when the sentences start with WS, question that begin with why, what, when, which, who, where, whom and how are called WS question. For example, where did you go yesterday? Who is your favorite writer? Yeah, where do you live? Such type of question is called interrogative sentence. Now see here, we are going to discuss what is imperative sentence. See here, what is imperative sentence. Now we are going to discuss about imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? I think in previous class everyone understand and read what is imperative sentence. See here, a sentence that given a command or an order, make a request or gives advice. क्या देता है ये? Command, order, request, advice, it is, इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं, लेकिन जनरली आप देख सकते हो कमांड है, ऑर्डर है, रिक्वेस्ट है, एडवाइस है, ये सारी चीज़ें जो होती हैं वो एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि इसको इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस। जैसे मान लो अगर कहा जाए तुमसे गो देयर, वहाँ जाओ, हियर मे बी अ आई, shoot the man, here is given a command, please come here, please come here, here is given a request, take your medicine, take your medicine kindly, take your medicine kindly. Here is what? Here is the set of advice. So what do you understand? In imperative sentence, there are many things as is given as command, order, request, advice, and so on. Many. Prohibition is also given. Don't go there. Forget this. And last, you can understand through it by example. Go there, shoot the man, please come here and take your medicine kindly. Now we are going to discuss about exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? See here, what is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentences. अब देखो exclamatory दिया है, sentence that express strong feeling is called a exclamatory sentence. जहाँ exclamation mark होते हैं, ये exclamation mark होते हैं आपके, इसको हम बोलते हैं exclamatory sentence. Where the feeling show as exclamation mark. जैसे कहा है, what a beautiful picture. What a beautiful picture it is. What a beautiful picture it is. What do you see here? Here is given exclamation box and says here surprise. What a beautiful picture it is. And same as how sweet the sound is. How sweet the sound is. How sweet the sound is. So you understand what is exclamatory sentence? Where exclamation mark have been given and show the strong feeling, a surprise, exclaim, and so on. Meanings. I think you understand well with this example what is. So I have completed the kind of sentence. I hope you will understand well. And thanks to watch my video. I hope you will like, subscribe, and share your groups. Thanks once again.